Hello students, today we are solving the JEE Advanced 2022 question paper. The question is, a solution is prepared by mixing 0.01 mole of each of H2CO3, NaHCO3, Na2CO3 and NaOH in 100 ml of water, and we have to find out the pH of solution. So what is given? Given is we have 100 ml of water, 100 ml of water, and in this water we have mixed four substances. Which four substances? First one is H2CO3, second one is NaHCO3, next is Na2CO3, and then NaOH, and we have mixed 0.01 mole of each substance. Means we are mixing 0.01 mole H2CO3, 0.01 mole NaHCO3, 0.01 mole Na2CO3 as well as 0.01 mole NaOH in 100 ml of water, and we have to find out pH of the solution. So first of all, we can understand that H2CO3 is acid as well as NaOH is base, and both will react together to form salt and water. So first of all, H2CO3 and NaOH in solution react to each other and produce NaHCO3 plus water. Now how many mole of H2CO3 we are taking? We are taking 0.01 mole of H2CO3, 0.01 mole of NaOH. That's why NaHCO3 will also produce 0.01 mole, because stoichiometric ratio is 1:1:1. That's why we can say we will get NaHCO3 0.01 mole. Now what is present in this solution? In this solution now 0.01 plus 0.01 mole of NaHCO3 and 0.01 mole of Na2CO3 will present after this reaction. Why I am writing like that? 0.01 plus 0.01 NaHCO3. Why I am writing like that? 0.01 plus 0.01 mole of NaHCO3, because we know 0.01 mole NaHCO3 is producing in this reaction, as well as we have also 0.01 mole of NaHCO3 in this solution initially. So this 0.01 mole of NaHCO3 we are getting from this reaction, and this 0.01 mole of NaHCO3 we are taking initially in the solution that is given in the question. Now we can understand that NaHCO3 that will behave like as a weak acid, because it have one proton, acidic proton, that can be given to a base, and Na2CO3 that is the salt of strong acid with weak base. So actually after the reaction we can understand that it is the mixture of weak acid plus its salt with strong base. So it will behave like as a buffer. And which type of buffer? Acidic buffer. Acidic buffer. Because we can understand that what is acidic buffer? Acidic buffer are the mixture of weak acid as well as their salt with strong base. And now we have to calculate the pH of acidic buffer. So we know the formula of acidic buffer. pH is equal to pKa plus log concentration of salt upon concentration of acid. Now what is the value of pKa? Here we will take pKa2. Why we will take pKa2? Because H2CO3 when gets converted into HCO3 plus H plus, then dissociation constant means Ka1 is something different, and when HCO3 minus gets converted into CO3 minus 2 plus H plus, then there is dissociation constant Ka2. Now negative log of Ka1 will give us pKa1, and negative log to the base 10 Ka2 will give us pKa2, because we have NaHCO3 as a acid, and this NaHCO3 will give us bicarbonate ion, and these bicarbonate ion when behave like as a acid, then they will give their protons. So reaction will proceed, that reaction will proceed, HCO3 minus will gets converted into CO3 minus 2 plus H plus. That's why we will take that Ka2. Now what is the pKa2? pKa2, that is 10.32 plus log. What is the concentration of salt? Concentration of salt. Salt means Na2CO3. What is the concentration? Concentration means number of mole of solute divided by volume of solution. So 0.01 upon 0.1 divided by, what is the concentration of acid? Now what is the acid? Acid is NaHCO3. So its concentration is 0.02 upon 0.1. So finally we will get 10.32 plus log 1 by 2. If we will solve it, we can get 10.32 minus log 2. We all know what is the value of log 2. What is the value of log 2? Log 2 means that is 0.3010. So we can take it 10.32 minus 0.3010 is approximate equal to 0.30. So we are taking it like 0.30. So we will get 10.32 minus 0.30. So your answer is 10.02. So that will be your final pH. So pH of resulting solution will be 10.02. Thank you.